Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start now. Confirm your phone has active mobile data and sufficient battery. Carriers sometimes restrict tethering, so check your plan. On the phone, open Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. Choose a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 password. Pick 2. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. This matters because many laptops prefer one band. Once done, make a note of the network name and password so you can find them quickly on the computer. On your computer, open the Wi-Fi menu and locate the hotspot SSID you set on the phone. Click the network, enter the password exactly, case matters, and choose Connect. This authenticates using WPA2 so data stays encrypted. Once connected, Windows may ask if the network is private or public. Choose Private/Home if you trust the device to allow local sharing. If you need IP4 static settings or proxy adjustments, configure them in Network Settings. Make sure airplane mode is off. Finish by confirming internet access. Open a browser or ping 8 to test connectivity. Monitor mobile data and battery because tethering uses both. Disable the hotspot when done to save power and data. If the computer shows connected but no internet, toggle the phone hotspot off and on, forget the network on the computer, then reconnect. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart both devices if toggling fails. This clears IP conflicts and reestablishes DHCP, resolving most common tethering errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.